What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be installing some airbag modules into the car, or a airbag module. Got it right here. I already got this piece out, but it's very simple to take out. Really, you just take this piece right here, unbolt these two bolts. There's one right here and then there's one on the other side, and then this bolt right here, that bolt right there, take those out, and then the whole thing should just slip right out. So I'm gonna take this out and then show you guys how to replace the module. All right, guys, so I actually forgot to say, make sure to unplug your battery anytime you're doing any type of airbag work. Just pull that bolt off and then pull the terminal off. That's your ground. And then once you have that, then there's 3 bolts right here, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll pull that out. All right, old one is out, new one is in. I didn't film the process of putting this in because it's been a little hard to film and put it at the same time. But basically, kind of pull this end up and kind of put it like on this way first, and then drop this way in. And then yeah, then you just put this part right there, and that's it. And then I'm gonna test it, see if it works. All right, guys. Just put the interior back together. So now I'm about to reconnect the battery and see if I get that light off. If I don't get the light off, which I don't think I am because I just found out this airbag wasn't replaced. So as long as I get a blinking light, I know the module is good, and then I'll just go back, switch it for the 2 airbag module and call it a day. But I'm gonna test it out. All right, y'all, just got everything connected up. See what lights we got. Just as I thought. So the airbag in the seats are actually cut out and they weren't replaced, so I bought the one with 6 airbags, and that's why it has the blinking light right now. But I'm gonna go back and get the one just for the 2 airbags in the front, and that light should be off. Also, my check engine light's off now, so I know the module's working, so cool. But yeah, anyways, that's basically how you replace your airbag module on a 350Z. It's not too hard. Really would not go to a shop to get it done. You just pull this off right here, pull this off right here, and it's just right under here, and it's a super easy job. It takes literally like 30 minutes. So hope this is helpful to anyone who's trying to get this done. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later. Peace.